Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. We're going over a new bag today. This is a Tarian PB-01. Now this is a pretty small bag. It is a 14.6 liter bag. And just so we get this off the bat, it is not going to hold a big telephoto lens. So we have our 180 to 600 right here. Just to give you a size comparison, it's really not for this bag. This bag I've actually been using for my drone and video setup. So if I know I'm going to be doing a lot of B-roll, doing some drone footage, things like that, I pack this bag and take it with me. So we're going to go around the outside of it real quick and then go over the inside. And this bag will be on Amazon for about $80 to $100 depending on what kind of sale they have going on at the moment. And I'll make sure to put an Amazon link in the description down below. On the outside, we'll start from the back. The straps. Straps aren't bad. They are vented a little bit. The back pad is vented, so you don't have to worry too much about sweating with this on, and it's not a very big bag, so it is not going to be like carrying around a 36 liter bag. As you can see, quite a bit smaller. And we have a buckle here for the chest if you want to do that when you're carrying it. And one of the nice features about this bag, if you're going to use it for like street or anything like that, if you have it on one strap like this, you can pull it to the side and you have a pocket right here with easy access to your camera body. Unzip it, pull your camera out, and you're ready to go. For reference, this is a caged Z52, just for size. And then whenever you're done, put it right back in there, close it back up, and away you go. So it's actually pretty nice for something like that. So whenever we get to the front of the bag, you have two little straps right here that you can use to tie anything on here. Maybe you want to put a hoodie or a little sweatshirt and zip it to the front of the bag. It has little feet on the bottom, little rubber feet, treads, so you can set it upright and it'll mostly keep it out of any mud, muck, water that might be sitting on the ground, and you won't have to worry about that getting on you. So if we unclip these, we can see the bottom compartment. And right here's where the camera is at. And you can also adjust this divider right here any way you want down inside there. So if you have a longer lens, like a 105, 135, you can put it in here with it from the side and just take this out. It does come with a rain cover, so we'll put that on real quick. Set it up. It's elastic around the outside with the brand name on it. Pretty much like a normal bag cover. It's like a canvas material, like a tent almost, so pretty water resistant. Don't gotta worry about that too much. So for the other side, you have another strap right here. I can undo this strap, okay? And you can put a water bottle in here. Like this is a Yeti bottle right here. Not even sure what size it is, but use it every day. You can use this elastic pocket to put a tripod down in there and just clip this together to hold the tripod. So then for the front pocket right here, it's kind of a hard pocket. It's got like I wouldn't call it body armor or anything like that, but it's pretty ruggedized pocket. It's pretty dense, pretty durable. And inside this pocket, I keep my extra batteries for my drone in here, for my Mini 3. You have a pocket right here for extra add-ons. You can put your props, all kinds of things in there, your SD cards, whatnot. And it's pretty easy to pop the batteries in and out. It's a good spot for camera batteries as well. And then we have the top pocket right here. I keep my remote in the top up here with the joysticks in the back. You also have a little bit of a flap. You can put other things in here, things you don't want to get rid of, like maybe your papers, your flight, any vector maps you have printed out, anything you need for your flight for the day, put them in there. And there's another zippered pocket in the front right here. You can put more papers and things in there that you might need. Then put my controller back in the top, zip it up. Then here's the main compartment on top for cameras and drones and accessories. So we just unzip it and you fold it straight down. You have another pocket on the inside. You can put other things in there, like maybe SD cards, anything you might want. Make sure you unclip the clips on the side so you can zip it further. And now you got this whole part right here, and you have this little like protective flap. just so you can put things on top and it'll hold it in place. Or for me, I just unzip it all the way, and I really leave it zipped down the whole time. Even whenever I close it back up, I just leave it zipped down all the way. Then I have my drone charging pack in here and my drone right here. So you can fit your Mini 3 sideways, right like this, inside here, and it's not going to go anywhere. And you have really 4 different compartments right here. You have 1, 2, 3, 4. You can't really see it. And you have this central divider. So again, if you want to have a second camera, like if you have, you know, a Fuji X-T4, something like that, that size, or maybe a like a Z6 III, if you don't have a grip or anything, it'll fit in here. Put the lens down through there, and this elastic band that's Velcro that you can adjust will hold your camera right in the middle. So we'll put this all back together. So in the very, very tippy top, there is a laptop compartment that you can put up to a 13-inch laptop in here. I keep my MacBook Air in here with its charger when I'm out doing whatever I need to do. So for this bag, I feel like the targeted audience is for drone pilots. If you're hobbyist, professional, Part 107, anything like that, really good bag. Keep all your drone accessories in there. And if you have like you put your keys, your cell phone, those kind of things in there. And also if you have a mirrorless camera, and it works really good for that as well. It does kind of scream camera bag, so if you're worried about someone just plucking this off your body or while you're out and about, maybe not the perfect bag to blend in. The dimensions for the bag, it is a 14.6 liter bag. It is 28.5 by 19 by 41 centimeter, and it weighs about 1.5 kilogram empty. It is 95% polyester and 5% EVA, which is probably the dividers inside the bag. And the dividers in the bag, you can move them around, take them out. They're all Velcro. Works really nice. And if you really, really wanted to, you can. And this whole piece right here, this whole divider, comes completely out. So the bottom compartment and the top compartment can be combined into one. So if you had a really big drone, like a Mavic 3 Pro or something like that, you can still put it in this bag, and you still have the other compartments that you cannot change out to put your controller and other accessories like batteries and things. So for a drone camera bag, this works so good, honestly. And it's only $100, sometimes less. Definitely worth checking out. So until then, happy shooting out there. I wish you the best of luck.